What's going on, everybody? It's Trey the Credit Wiz. Welcome back to Credit Talk 101, where we turn bad credit into better credit and confusion into confidence. Let's get into it. If you watch part one of this video, you now have an understanding of what Metro 2 compliance is. The next question is, why is Metro 2 compliance disputes more effective than your traditional disputes? Traditional disputes challenges whether an account is accurate. Metro 2 disputes challenges whether an account is reporting correctly according to the required credit report standards set by the Consumer Data Industry Association. For an example, instead of disputing the charge-off and saying that the account is incorrect, a Metro 2 analysis will review payment history, balance reporting, charge-off dates, account status. That's what Metro 2 disputes challenge. Accounts can contain inconsistencies such as incorrect balance amount, inconsistent payment history dates, incorrect charge-off dates, and missing data fields like your name being misspelled, your address, your physical address being misspelled or not fully correct. That's what a Metro 2 compliance dispute challenges. The real sauce to getting things removed off your credit is doing a deep analysis on each credit bureau's what they're reporting on your credit as far as the accounts that's on there that's reporting negative. You want to look at the closing dates if the account is closed. You want to look at the balance, even if it's off by $1. Payment history. All missed payment dates have to be the same. It can't be different from TransUnion. It can't be different. TransUnion can't have a different date than Experian, and Equifax can't have a different date than Experian. Like, these things have to be 100% accurate. Credit reports contain dozens of data fields that has to be 100% accurate and 100% consistent. That being said, professionals in this industry like myself, there's nothing negative on anyone's account on any of my clients' accounts that I wasn't able to get removed. I'm talking anything, late payments, charge-offs, repossessions, foreclosures, student loans. There's nothing bankruptcies. There's nothing that I was not able to get removed off of someone's credit report while using Metro 2 compliance disputes. We carefully analyze inconsistencies, timeline conflicts, and compliance errors before making these disputes, before submitting these disputes. And you can do this yourself by going to m2phenom.com. That's the software that I use. There's no gatekeeping here. There's m2phenom.com. There's a walkthrough on how to do it yourself. It is Metro 2 compliance generated, AI generated disputes tailored to every individual's credit report. In closing, Metro 2 compliance disputing ensures that the information that's being reported to the credit bureau is accurate, consistent, and complete. So if you're looking to fix your credit, enhance your credit, I recommend to do a Metro 2 compliance dispute. Again, you can go to m2phenom.com. I'm sorry. I will leave the link in the description. m2phenom.com. Generate their AI generated disputes, Metro 2 compliance disputes. Also, there's factual disputing and consumer law in there too as well. You're able to review the letters before you send them off. It is an extra fee if you want a third party to send these letters off for you. But if you want to send these letters off yourself, you can. You're still going to have to get them sent certified. It's smarter to get them sent certified so you can be time stamped, receipts showing that you sent the letters and that they received it, so they can't say, "Oh, we never received your dispute," anything like that. The credit bureaus always try to pull a fast one. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone that you know that need this information. Financial freedom is your choice.